How to upload stories from Instagram on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can upload stories from Instagram on PC, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to upload stories on Instagram on PC, by default if you go to instagram.com you can see we don't have the option to create or upload stories. Now to upload a story from Instagram on laptop, right click your mouse on an empty space on the Instagram page. Then you can simply go to inspect. Once you go to inspect, right beside elements you can see this little computer and mobile like icon. Click on that icon there. Now choose dimensions is set to responsive, so I will just set this to Galaxy S20 Ultra or any of the other options. The final thing for you to do now is just simply hit the refresh button from the top left. Now once you click refresh, your layout will look something like this. And if you look on the top left hand side, now this time you can basically see we have the little profile icon that says add story. So now we can click on this little icon here, and then we can simply choose to add any of the stories that we might prefer in this case, and we can go ahead and even zoom in or zoom out or do whatever else it is that we prefer here. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically create or upload stories from Instagram on laptop. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.